Oke geng, jadi kita kali ini bermain dengan Florentia dengan Rem FC. Jadi permainan kali ini akan menjadi seru guys. Jadi mari kita tonton bersama-sama. Kita atur formasi dulu. Oke, jadi waktunya kita main game. Santai aja.
Determined challenge there. That's nicely played. He slid for the ball, but missed. Now that was close. Not much in it
Offside
there
game.
at all.
Bodoh.
Passed well. Out there. And that will take the pressure off. Poor attempt to win this. And that will be a free
Sini
kick.
aja ya. Slow.
What a well-timed tackle.
Santai aja geng, santai aja.
Appealing, but he's onside. Just the goalkeeper to beat now. Top
Oke
class
geng,
finish
jadi permainan kali ini
there.
kita menang sementara 1-0.
It's a world-class finish. What else can you say? The replay will give us a closer look.
Replaynya geng, mantap.
And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Great footwork there. He must score. His teammates
Aduh,
scored it.
satu geng.
Rightly so. Great stuff. And it's now 1-1. It's anyone's game. Caceres. Confident pass. Missed challenge there. It's a throw-in. Throw-in taken short. That clearance will lift the pressure. Passed inside. Poor attempt to win the ball. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is down. He's on just the keeper to beat. Booted clear. This challenge there. We're only going to have 1 minute of stoppage time today. The defender could be in trouble here. And that's out for a goal kick.
Habis babak pertama geng.
Referee checks his watch and blows for half time.
Permainan kali ini sangat ketat ya geng ya, jadi kita atur formasi dulu biar permainan semakin seru. Oke geng, santai aja.
It's a second half. Some fresh changes have been made. Off we go then. The managers have had a chance to have a word with their players, and it's still anyone's game.
Mantap.
Good distribution. And defender now. Long ball then.
Aduh, sayang kali ganda.
The goalkeeper eases the pressure.
Kali ini sangat menyentuh ya.
Confident pass. Striker's ball. And it's opened up here. Shoots. Not the best.
Aduh,
Looks like he's injured here, but it has been a clean game today. No cards just yet.
permainannya
By the
sangat-sangat.
goalkeeper. Well cut out. Won the ball. He dribbles. Oh, that could be painful.
Aduh, kartu merah Ren.
And he sees red. His manager won't be pleased with him. It's level, and they're on the back foot, and they need to get this one away. And out for the throw-in. This is Benassi. A missed challenge there. And that's a throw-in. Well cut out. Confident pass. Oh, quality defending there.
Aduh. Jadi untuk kali ini kan permainannya agak menegangkan gitu ya.
Distributes the play. The assistant kept his flag down. He's onside. Well, a draw is a fair result if you ask me. Both teams have played well and deserve to go home with a point each. He failed to connect with that tackle. He strikes.
Offside
By
game.
the referee's assistant.
Jadi mari ayo kita mantap.
Guesses this game has goals, and we may see one very soon. Poor attempt to win the ball. We're into time added on now. And the striker's feet. The fourth official has indicated 5 minutes of stoppage time. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. He could be punished for that mistake. Good distribution. And the referee puts
Aduh,
an edge to it.
permainannya
It
sangat
finishes
menegangkan
level,
guys.
1-1.
Mudah-mudahan.